Hey you guys, we are back for another video, and today I will be showing you how I achieve my 90s nails look using these very super easy methods. So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in. So first things first is I start off with a gel clear top coat. I will be using Mia's Secret. Now let me tell you guys, because I got this gel nail polish from my beauty supply, which I am just like super happy about. But at the same time, like as you can see, it got that little sticker on it saying beauty supply. I was so hurt because you know how many times I've waited for gel nail polish, like clear top coat or even monomer, because I use Mia's Secret monomer sometimes, to come in the mail. And you mean to tell me I could have got that from my beauty supply? What? Y'all, I was feeling some kind of way. But anyway, yeah, we're just going to apply that gel clear top coat just because it allows for like a smoother application with the nail polish. Alright y'all, so this is what the nails look like when they come from out of the lamp. So we're going to get some nail polish remover, a bowl of nail polish remover. This is going to be like your paint bowl. And then you're also going to get a nail art brush, one of the really thin kinds, so that you can do the strokes and things like that with it. So the first thing in doing the actual design that we're going to do is add our base colors. Those base colors is what's going to bring all of those designs together and just make them pop. And what they are is they are just little blotches of nail polish, different colors, how many ever colors you want, all around the nail. And you're going to do some big, some small, but for the most part you want them to be kind of thin so that they dry very quickly. Also, when I do 90s nails, I also use just regular nail polish. The reason for that is because when you use any gel nail polish, the gel nail polish, you kind of have to dry as you go. So every time you put on a coat or a layer, you would have to go and stick your hand under the lamp to dry. And that's okay, it just takes a longer time. So whenever I use a regular nail polish, it dries a little quicker, so that way I don't have to worry about going back and forth under the lamp. And then also it allows me to keep on going quickly without worrying about my stuff getting smudged together because I didn't dry it. When you're doing 90s nail designs, it's really only 3 major steps, and the one major step is the base colors. Now, as you guys can see, I also have an ombre going on here with my nails. And the reason why I did that is just to add more of a base to the base colors. So now the next thing you want to do is go in with your strokes. So as you can see, I'm starting off with white, but you could really start off with any color that you're comfortable with. The reason why I like to start off with white is because I feel like the main 2 colors within the 90s nail designs that brings it together is the white and the black. And I feel like what's helpful for me is always starting off with white first and always doing black last. And then like all the other colors do in between. I like to do it in this order is because I feel like it helps give me like an idea of just like how to stay on track with where I'm going. You know, like when you start off with that white first, it kind of like becomes like an outline. And then when you do that black last, it's like that's just the thing that just brings it all together. I'm just making strokes all around the nail. Now the key to doing strokes is you want them to start off thick and then end off thin. So as you can see, all of mine are not like that. And that's the thing that I love about 90s nails is that, you know, you can keep going and then bring it all together at the end and it'll still look nice. So even if your strokes do not come out as nice or as crisp as you want them to, keep going. You guys, as you're watching this video, do not forget to leave a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel so that you can stay updated on new videos. And then as you go, you want to start adding in some of those dots. So that's the third thing to do on 90s nails. After you add in those strokes, start dotting it up, girl, because that's what that 90s nail look pretty much composes of, is a lot of those strokes and a lot of those dots, at least for the freestyle designs. Now, there are some other designs, like that spider web look or that marble look, but for this, we're just going to do like the regular freestyle, which is like the dots and the strokes. And then after that, you can go in and just start making it your own. Like as you see, I'm doing like 2 hearts here. And you can go in and start putting in whatever you want. If you want to put in like your initials, just anything you want to make it your own. Now guys, at this part, I went ahead and erased the base colors that I had on my pinky because I had something else in mind. So what I'm doing now is I'm just doing like a little slight smudged look nail polish. Guys, I don't know what to call it because it's not really marble. I don't know if I would really call it like that watercolor look either, but I'm just doing like a little smudged nail polish look as a base. Now this is something I like as well, is like that smudged polish look. So for like the 90s nails. So when you're doing your base, you could like even do like a full hands of those with like 2 different colors, and girl, it'll look nice. I love that smudge polish look as a base color. And guys, as I'm allowing that to dry, I'm just gonna go back in and just fill in any blank areas. As you can see, I'm doing like a butterfly here. And you could just do like more lines, more dots. Pretty much you just want to fill in as much space as possible, typically at the tip, or at least if you're doing like the freestyle design. Some people don't like full tips. I like my tips full. I just think it gives it more of that like 90s full out look. Y'all, this look back in the day with those full tips would have cost buku money. Like if you was trying to get this design back in the day, this kind of freestyle, girl, you was gonna have to come up on some cash. But yeah, that's what you want to do. And now you guys, I'm going in with the black. Like I was saying before, it's the black that brings it all together and that seals it, so that's why I always do it last. And now you guys, after finishing the pinky, I am going in and adding a little bit more white. So guys, after using your black, remember how I said that's the thing that brings it all together. It'll also help you to see any other spots where you want to add any other white or any more color. So feel free to touch up in the end and just continue to make it your own. Now something else that I like to do is adding in a little glitter. I like this because it just gives it like a little glitz. Now you could use glitter. If you notice, like back in the day in the nail salon when you used to get your nails done, I know when I used to get my nails done, I used to have them add a little silver. That little silver glitter stroke would bring it all together. Or you could even do rhinestones. But I just like the way it makes it look when you have some type of glitter or glitz in there. And there you have it. Here is our 90s nails. This is the concept of the 90s nails for the most part. Very super easy and inexpensive. And you know, you guys, the design did not come out exactly the way I pictured in mine. And I actually am really starting to like it now. I would just say that when you're doing your strokes, do some long strokes starting from the edge. As I see, it was really those short strokes in the middle of that ring finger that threw me off. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And until next time, bye you guys.